This morning we read a story about bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I love bugs. So we're going to be making a bug on our piece of paper today. I need you to go and grab your Build a Bug page from your distance learning packet. So grab your paper and then grab your glue stick, some scissors, your markers or crayons, and some of your construction paper. Go ahead and pick the colors that you like the best. When you have all of your materials, then we're going to go ahead and start. So we're going to make our bugs, and they're going to need 3 different body parts, and you can make them any shape you want. I think I'm going to make mine circles or ovals, but you can decide what you want to do. Let's start our activity by making our bug's head. So pick your color paper that you want to use to make your bug's head. I'm going to use blue. Now we need to cut out a shape for your bug's head. So go ahead and grab your scissors, or you can draw your shape first and then you can cut it out. Next, glue it onto your paper. Now we need to make the bug's body, and the bug is going to have 2 different pieces for its body. Let's do some rectangles or squares for the body this time. I'm going to use my scissors. I don't want to use the same color 2 times, so I'm going to make 1 yellow rectangle. I'm going to use my scraps, and I'm going to make another part for the back of him. So I cut out 2 rectangles. I have 1 big yellow rectangle and a small blue rectangle that I'm going to use for the bug's body parts. So go ahead and glue on your bug's body parts. My bug looks a little bit funny. He's missing some other pieces. Now what we need to do for our bug, we need to give our bug some eyes, some antenna. Antenna are little things that stick off the top of their head, and they need lots of little legs. Let's go ahead and finish the other parts of our bug. You can use your crayons or markers if you have them. I'm going to give my bug some antenna. Now our bug needs some eyes. I gave my bug some glasses so that it looks like me. Another thing that our bug is going to need is this. What is this? A mouth. Our bugs need to eat, so let's give our bug a mouth. Some other things our bug might need are some legs. Grab your marker, or you could even make some legs out of your paper. Just cut them into little pieces and you can put them on your bug. I'm going to use my marker. Now, some bugs fly, and if your bug is a flying bug, then we need to make sure that it has wings. I don't know if mine's a flying bug or not, but I still think it would be cool to give it wings. So I'm going to give my bug some wings. Okay, that is it. I am all done with my Build-A-Bug.